Hi there and welcome to this Dynamicweb video presentation. Today we will be going to the Online Marketing Center and more specifically the part of the OMC which we call split test. Split testing is all about finding out what actually works. Maybe you have a new layout, new colors, new buttons or something like that. Maybe you have you want to test some of your content to see what it means, what the effect is in regards of conversion rate to your website. So with the Dynamicweb online marketing split test, you don't need to think about or guess what works the best. You can actually test it and have some info being put back to you to make the better decision. For this example, we would like to change the two slides that you see here. Will that have any effect on the conversion rate of people visiting our website and actually placing an order? That is what we would like to test. So next off, I'll be going to the back end. You can see I have my two slider, 1 and 2 paragraphs here at the right. And if OMC is installed, you can see at the top we have the OMC tab available. So clicking that gives us the ability to click the setup split test. We have content based and page content, and the content based is when you have a change of design elements or text images or something like that, and page content is when you have an overall different layout. So for our purpose we will be choosing the content based. As you can see here, we have a set of different conversion goals that we can choose between. And in our example, we would like to see what does the split testing do in regards of placing an order. We'll just start out by giving a name for our split test. And obviously, we also have the active that chooses whether or not the split test should be active from the start. Conversion metrics, choose whether conversion should be registered throughout the entire time of a visit or if the conversion should be only registered upon the next step. For instance, if you want a PDF file to be downloaded, does it matter to you that it's being downloaded at any place of the visit, or is it important for you that the next step is the download of the PDF? So that's what we mean by the conversion metrics. Traffic sent through this split test, you choose the percentage of visitors that will be sent through the split test. If, for example, you choose 10%, the split test will collect data from only 10% of total visits. And of these 10%, half will see the original content and half will see the changed content. And the remaining 90% will only see the original content, and their actions will not generate any data for the test. Finally, show to search engine bots. Here you can choose to make both the original content and the changed content visible to search engines, or you can choose only to make the original content visible to search engines. Now, after saving my my settings, you'll see that we have new buttons available at the top of the page. So I'll choose my two sliders because these are the two I want to perform my split test on. So I'll just click the Create Variants, and you can see I have my my originals and I have my two variants. And what I will be changing for my two variants is that I will just change the pictures of the sliders, and that's all I'm going to do with these two, and these are just kind of dummy examples, so I'll just change to the same picture for both slides. And here you can see that I can choose my original and my variant, click my OMC tab, and then I can preview how it looks. And here at the top you can see I can choose between original and variant. So here we have the original, and I click here on variants, and you'll see the slides with my two new pictures. So the next thing I'll be doing is that I will be placing a lot of orders. I have to close my browser and open it a zillion times because I need 20 visits on each website. So I have to just perform orders until I have at least 20 orders, or sorry, at least 20 visits to each of the two versions. Finally, I managed to obtain all my information and place a lot of orders at the front end. So I'll go to my page and I'll go to my OMC tab, and then I'll view the report and see how I performed. What you most definitely can see here is that the variants is the better performer of the two. The original has had 13 views with 2 conversions, whereas variants has had 11 views and 7 conversions, giving it a conversion rate of over 63%, and we mark it as significant to the probability of performing better than the original. You may very well have a lot of split testing throughout your website, and if you go to the Online Marketing Center and split test, you will have an overview of them all. In this case, I can view the report here for the one we just had, and now I'd like to stop. I know what I want to know, and at this screen you can see the different options you have when closing down your split test. And with this, we have come to the end of this video presentation. So thank you for watching.